I were to compare my learning experience, it will be on a roller coaster ride.
Because I experienced a lot of things and I learned from it.
I know that online class will be hard, but I never imagined that it was this difficult. I was chill at first.
Chillin', ice cream, chillin'.
That I don't feel pressure even though these are the two of my major subjects. I still have time for myself to scroll on social media, to watch dramas, even though I have a hectic schedule. I experienced to build a house on my own. I experienced to be a bank owner.
Good day and welcome to Happy's Bank.
I experienced to try being creative. Last but not the least, I experienced to rap.
Circus, those circus pa. I said those circus pa.
I am thankful that I experienced all of those because at some point I gained confidence.
Because of repeatedly talking in front of camera.
It was fun to do rather than the actual reporting in class.
And it also helps me to understand each lesson and then knew how to arrive at the answer for every activities.
Every minute of my online learning life, I have nothing in my mind but to think of all the lessons I need to study. All the activities that I need to do, and I also think of my portfolio if that would be enough for me to pass. That was me in the middle of online class. I know that overthinking is not good for our health, but I can't help it. Thankfully, God was there to stop me and guide me to make me strong enough para hindi sumuko. It was a flood of activities, but time passes by. I came back to what teacher Ren said. Never in my entire student life that I experienced this kind of hardship. Hindi ko naman sinasabing hindi ako nahirapan sa pag-aaral noon, pero this was different dahil na rin siguro sa hindi ako sanay sa self-study. I am having a hard time to study on my own. I also don't experience being stressed. I don't have anxiety up until this new normal happens. Inisip ko na rin na parang
di ko yata kaya.
To sum all up, it was difficult. It really was. But as we all know, it will be rewarding in the end.